Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Commusoft. Commusoft is an all-in-one job management software made for field service businesses. It helps plumbers, electricians, HVAC techs, and other trades manage their daily work smoothly. You can schedule jobs, assign them to staff, and track progress in real time. It works well on both desktop and mobile, so teams can update job in from anywhere. With Commusoft, you can send digital quotes and invoices in just a few clicks. It also stores customer history, making it easy to provide better service. Engineers can take photos, collect signatures, and fill out forms right on the job site. The system keeps track of parts, stock levels, and even supplier orders. You can also automate reminders for annual services or follow-ups. Commusoft connects with accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero for easy bookkeeping. It also offers tools to handle customer communications through email and text. The dashboard gives a clear view of business performance, helping owners make smart decisions. There's even an option to let customers book appointments online. To apply for the applications, enter your first name, last name, email address, phone number, and upload your CV and additional files. Whether you have a small team or a growing business, it scales with your needs. Overall, Commusoft saves times, reduces errors, and helps grow service businesses smoothly. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.